What is circular flow of income? It is a model of an economy showing connections between different sectors of an economy. There are different sectors such as households, industrial sectors, government sectors, or international trade. Among these different sectors, how the income and goods and services are flowing from one sector to another sector, how they are interconnected with each other. That's the study of circular flow of income. There are three models for circular flow of income: two sector model, three sector model, and four sector model. There are different sectors in the economy: household sector, industrial sector, government sector, and international trade. Among these different types of sectors, how the national income and goods and services are moving from one sector to another sector. That means how the national income and goods and services are circulating from one sector to other sector. The income transferred from household sector to industrial sector to government sector, and government sector to international trade. Just like that, the national income is moving among the different sectors. This is the study of circulation of national income. Circular flow of income shows flows of income, goods and services, and factors of production between economic agents such as firms, households, government, and international trade. Circular flow of income in a two-sector model. That means how the national income is circulating between two sectors. There are only two sectors in the two-sector model. One is household sector, another one is industrial sector. The household sectors provide the factors of production such as land, labor, capital, organizations to the industrial sector. The industrial sectors using those kinds of factors of productions and producing goods and services, and they are selling those goods and services to the household sectors again. Moreover, the firms will give the rewards for the factors of production such as wage, rent, dividends to the household sector. Thus the way the household sector getting some income from the industrial sector. Furthermore, the household sector using the income they derived for the consumption expenditure. They will purchase the goods and services that are produced by the industrial sector, and thus the way the consumption expenditure of the households become the income for the industrial sector once again. So simply we can say the factors of productions are going to the industrial sector from the household sector, and the firms are selling the goods and services again to household sector. Moreover, the household sector is getting some income from the industrial sector, and those income will be used for making consumption expenditure. That means to purchase the goods and services, the household sector will make some expenditures. So that's the way the national income and the goods and services are circulated from one sector to other sector. This is the model of two sector model of circular flow of income. In the two sector model, firstly, the factors of productions are moving from household sector to industrial sector, and the firm sector will produce goods and services, and they are selling those goods and services to the household sector. In here, goods and services are transferred from one sector to other sector. This outer circle represents real flow. That means commodity flow. And in the two sector model, The firms are providing wage, rent, dividend. That means rewards for the factors of productions to the household sectors. And the household sector using those rewards, those income for making consumption expenditure. They are purchasing the goods and services from industrial sector. That's the way they are making some expenditures. So the income will goes once again to the industrial sector. In here, the money flow from one sector to other sector. This inner circle represents monetary flow. In two sector model, production is always being equal to sales. Whatever has produced, that will be equal to the sales. In here, two sector model, national income will be divided into two parts. Y is equal to C plus I. Y is referring to national income and C refers to consumption expenditure. I refers to investment expenditure. Next, three sector model. There are three sectors in the three sector model. One is industrial sector, household sector, and government sector. The industrial sectors are providing wage, dividends, interest, profit, rent, that means rewards for national income to the household sector. The household sectors are using those income to purchase goods and services from the industrial sector. The government sector is getting income in the way of taxes from the industrial sector and also from household sector. Moreover, the government provide social assistance program. They are providing the basic amenities to the household sector. For example, providing food, water, shelter, cloth, moreover road, transport, communication. So such as social assistance will be provided to the household sector. That's the way the government always making some consumption expenditures. They are making some purchases of the goods and services that are produced by the firm sector. So that's the way the income will goes to the industrial sector too. So this is the model of three sector circular flow of national income. National income in three sector model will be represented I as Y is equal to C plus I plus G. Y refers to national income, C refers to consumption expenditure, I refers to investment expenditure, and G refers to government expenditure. Four sector model. When we are adding the international trade in the three sector model, we can derive the four sector model of circular flow of income. See, the firms are providing the rewards for the factors of productions to the households, and the households are using the income for purchasing goods and services from the firm sector, and the government is getting some taxes, that means some income from the household sector and from the industrial sector too. Then the government is providing social assistance, that means basic amenities to the household sector. Moreover, the government is making expenditure such as purchasing of goods and services from the industrial sector. This is the basic three sector model we have seen. In this three sector model, when we are adding the rest of the world, that means the international trade of a nation, then it becomes four sector model. See, the industries, government sector, household sector, all are related with the rest of the world. They are exporting and importing goods and services or income from other countries. So, see, for example, the industrial sectors are exporting the goods and services to the foreign countries. Moreover, the firms, households, government, everyone is importing goods and services from the rest of the world. When we are adding this, This will become four sector model. Income flow in four sector economy. It is referred as y is equal to c plus I plus g into x minus m. Y refers national income, C refers to consumption expenditure, I refers to investment expenditure, G refers to government expenditure, and X minus M that refers to net exports of goods. X refers to exports and M refers to imports. Thank you for watching.